We're at a lovely property today. It's a 4-bedroom detached cottage. It has been extended and there is further planning for more extending if anybody wants to do that. It comes with an enormous garden, great for kids. This family live here and enjoy their outdoor space, and a new family could do the same. Equally, if somebody just enjoyed gardening, they could make the most of it as well. It's got 4 bedrooms, a lovely kitchen that then leads into the living room, that then opens out into a dining area and then goes on into a playroom. There's a ground floor bedroom there as well, and the rest of the bedrooms are upstairs. Great place to bring up the kids, not far from the seaside here in North Cornwall. And you've got Willsey Woods, which is in Hallworthy, and lots of other outdoor pursuits if that's what you like to do. Watch the video and the place will come alive to you. Take care.